In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept pending money or payments on hold in your PayPal account in just 5 minutes. This is a common issue that many users face, and I'm here to simplify the process for you. Let's dive in and turn those pending funds into usable cash in no time. First, what you need to do is navigate to the PayPal website. You can do this on your computer or even on your mobile device. Just make sure you have an internet connection because that's essential to access your account. Once you are on the PayPal website, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button, usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, your email, and your secure password. Make sure you have these details ready. Now sometimes for added security, PayPal will ask you to verify your identity using your phone. You'll see an option that says get a WhatsApp text or get a text. Choose the method you prefer, follow the instructions, and you'll receive a code on your device. Enter this code to proceed. This step ensures that your account remains secure and is an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. After logging in successfully, you will find yourself on the PayPal homepage. This is your account's dashboard. From here, you'll want to head to the Activities section. Think of this section as a ledger. It shows all your recent transactions, including any payments that may be pending or on hold. Once you've clicked on Activities, the next move is to carefully scan through the list to find the payment that is pending. PayPal typically marks these transactions to make them easily identifiable. Look for any indicators or labels that say pending or on hold. Sometimes it helps to use the search bar if you have a specific transaction in mind. After you've found the pending payment you are concerned with, you might need to follow up on any additional steps PayPal requires to release the funds. This could include reviewing the details of the transaction, confirming receipt of a product, or resolving any disputes. Keep an eye on your notifications or messages from PayPal that might tell you exactly why the payment is being held and what you might need to do about it. And there you go. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to accept and manage those pending PayPal payments efficiently. If you keep facing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to PayPal customer support for further assistance. They can provide more tailored help if there's a more complex issue at play. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has made managing your PayPal funds a bit easier.